Hello guys, so this is Satyam. Welcome back again to my Python series. So in this video we are going to start setting up our Pycharm, that how to start writing codes in Pycharm and how to use that particular ID. Okay, so without much wasting your time, Pycharm, uh, maybe I have to search here, maybe. Um, Pycharm Community Edition bin. Inside there you will find one which is like this. Let me do one thing, sending it to my desktop. That will be quite better. Now here, rename it something like Pycharm ID, and now we are going to open that. So after startup page, you will see the screen like this. It will take some amount of time in order to configure Python environment for you. So just give that time to your ID and just have a tea and something like that, and let it do its work. Okay. So after Python has done all its work, like configuration on all those stuffs like that, then you're good to go. Then just open your file here and just click on the new project. Okay, and give it a name. Give it a nice name. Like in this case, I'm going to name it Python tutorials. Python tutorials. You can name it anyone. Tutorials, but I prefer giving this name. Now press this arrow key, and you at first when you're installing, you this will be checked on, but you have to check on this one, existing interpreter, and then click here and choose your Python interpreter like this. If you click this one, it will give you three options like system interpreter, conda environment, or virtual environment. You have to choose system interpreter. Okay, otherwise you will run into a huge problem. Okay, so mine already is chosen system interpreter, and then we have to create that, and choosing this window, and it will prepare workspace for me, and this is what Python tutorials look like. Okay, so far so good. And next in the file, let me walk you through some of its settings, that what you can do with Pycharm. Okay, it has quite a lot to do than just editing. Means its interface is quite nice. Okay, Dracula, here you can choose your own theme. Sadly you have only three here. Okay, like high contrast. If you choose high contrast and apply that, you can see something like this. Wait, okay, you can see something like that. Totally, I don't think so this is that much nice. No, I prefer maybe IntelliJ, or I normally code in IntelliJ or Dracula. Okay, because I like them. Uh, but normally I code in a dark mode, because I like to code in the dark mode because it is quite eye friendly. That's why. But in the light mode, it's not comfortable for me. Okay, so I prefer Dracula mode. You can go for anyone of your choice. That's not any compulsion for at all. Okay, with this kind you can change the size of the font like this here, and with the data section, click on the font. You can change the font size. I have kept it to 27 because I have kept it bigger so that you can it will be readable. The codes which I will write on this editor will be readable for you all. That's why I have kept 27. Okay, now this is done. For color scheme, yeah, there's a lot more. Color scheme, we have Dracula, GitHub, high contrast, monocoid, light. You can choose light also and apply that. Okay, now you can see here. This is color scheme is for editor. Okay, I will show you later on that what does this mean. Okay, so Twilight. Okay, font you can go for. There's a lot font out there, but I normally choose consolas. Okay, you can change line spacing also. Let it be zero point 0.5. Okay, then apply so that it will be much more clear for all of you. That's why click OK now. So let us write our first Python code. Okay, how much time is there? So let me walk you through writing our first Python code in the next video. In this video I've told you that how to set up your Pycharm, and because many guys have a confusion in installing Pycharm but are not able to using it, that how to use Pycharm. So in this video I have showed you that how to use Pycharm. Okay, because it is such a breeze. Okay, thanks for watching this video.